Concon Bridge from Madgaon at Padi Barse is in pathetic condition. Work has been left incomplete for the past 1.5 years. No signs of restarting. Schools have reopened after 8 months for 10th and 12th standards. Rest of the classes still online. Authorities crack down on those not wearing masks in Panji as tourists throng in amidst fears of another wave in North India. Hello and welcome. I am Brian Sequera. Now the news in detail. Youth and locals from Korthali and Kansauli came out in protest against double tracking and other such projects in the state, continuing the pressure on the government. Now, Korthali BJP MLA Alina says that once the government realizes why people are opposing, then good sense will prevail on the 3 mega projects.
Chikalam Youth Farmers Club, a group of 100 youth from different parts of Goa assembled at Chikalim Panchayat to oppose the 3-liner project of double tracking, expansion of the national highway and transmission of the power lines through the Western Ghats. They say that they will motivate the youth from all Goa to voice their concern against the message because they felt cheated.
But now we have realized that this double tracking, this 400 kV transmission line and the expansion, the highway expansion is not for us, it's not for the development of Goa, but it is all connected with the Sagarmala project. And all of this is only to help one person, that is Adani, who has bought a coal mine in Australia to transport coal through Goa to Karnataka and Maharashtra.
On Friday evening, the Korthali MLA spoke to media after public awareness campaign program organized by the Villagers Action Committee against double tracking at the Kasauli Market Watch.
I had groups of people. More importantly, I had groups of youth coming to my office and asking me, what are you doing? What are you doing about the destruction that's going to take place? And for me, being an elected representative, a representative of the people, I felt that it was my bounden duty to be with the people. I also have faith in my government, and I'm sure better sense will prevail and the right decisions will be taken and the 3 projects will be scrapped, because these 3 projects are destructive. These 3 projects cannot be contained in dot-sized Goa. Goa is too small to carry these projects. As we were sitting here, we saw the train, not saw, but we heard the train, the loud hooting, and it was as if just the way this vehicle has just moved, it looked as if the train was as close. What will be the life of the people living in the houses along the present track if the second track comes? Think very highly of the government of Karnataka, who are very prone to taking the right decisions as far as their state is concerned. They are not ready to, jeopardize flora and fauna of their wildlife sanctuary. I think it is the moral duty of every Goan to fight to protect Goa's environment, Goa's heritage, Goa's biodiversity. So there is no question of filing cases against anybody. Okay? People are going berserk, obviously, because everybody loves their land. I love Goa. When I was hearing that young girl talk, I was sobbing. And why was I sobbing? Because I was thinking of my young days, how I loved my environment, how I climbed the trees, jumped from one tree to the other. I was quite tomboyish in my young days. I think the government has to realize this. In most cases along the southwestern railway route alignment, the first track has been laid on an elevated ground. Okay? And that's why if you see now, you'll find that the houses are on either side at a lower level. Now, when they're going to lay the second track, what will happen? Can you lay one track down and one track above? No. So the ground will have to be raised again.
The DGP of police on Saturday expressed his surprise as to why people of Goa are agitating against the projects like double tracking. He said that police would provide security and ensure the protection would be given to all the projects. Listen in.
There are some agitations going on in South for the projects. I don't know why people are projecting when government is so much like, in my opinion, if you say, because I am also part of the government, I could say these projects are for national development. These are projects, whether it is now, these are national projects, state projects. States and center are much more concerned about development of whole nation. So if you see the double tracking is there, it will benefit ultimately tourists also. It will benefit Goan people also, passengers also, persons who are coming. It will benefit. Like 4-laning, as a police officer, I am more concerned about 4-laning. When 4-laning is there, like at a one stretch you have got 4-lane, suddenly you have a 2-lane. So traffic automatically will be a problem. It will be a congestion. So government has decided for 4-lane. They should allow it. But anyhow, as a police department, will ensure whenever any security is sought by railway officials, by the state government, by the central government, will provide security to railway track, will provide security to 4-laning, transmission, any project which has been declared by the center or the state, will ensure that peace is maintained, nobody should obstruct. They went to railway track, we have registered case. We register case, we will take stern action against those people who are obstructing government functions, whether it is center or state. There are already studies are there, but I don't want to still, as I say, I don't want to go and then comment, but whenever government takes up, center or state takes up any project in such area, they conduct, there is a proper procedure for that.
Hiru Mahale and Irshad Sheikh for Goa 365 from Kansaulim and Panachi.
It's back to school time. Schools have reopened after a long gap of 8 months. However, things are not the same like earlier. First of all, only classes from 10th to 12th standards are being conducted. And the number of students in each room are half and they have to maintain social distance. Rest of the classes are still online. Here are the details.
Ministry of Home Affairs had allowed schools to reopen physically. However, states were given liberty on when to start schools. Chief Minister Pramod Sawant had then announced the restart schools on 21st November. He said parents' written consent is required. The classes were started on Saturday only for 10th and 12th standards with safety measures like hand sanitizing, social distancing while sitting, wearing of masks and mandatory temperature checks.
आमच्याकडे आता 180 भुरगीं 10वीक आसात शिकतात त्याचे आम्ही 6 पाठ केल्यात प्रत्येक पाठाक 12-13 भुरगीं असतात असे 6 क्लासी केल्या अल्टरनेट डेट आपयता पण आम्ही जे इस्कॉल स्टार्ट केला ते सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंटाचे जेन्ना एसयूबी येयले तेन्नापासून स्टार्ट केला कालच आमची एग्जाम ज्या भुरग्यांनी ऑनलायन स्टडी करून कितें शिकला हेची बेरीज वजोवणी करचे खातीर कालच आमी आमची एग्जाम काबार केला 10वीची भुरगीं जेन्ना इस्कॉलान येतात तेन्ना सगळे प्रिकॉशन घेतला ताका सॅनिटायझर परत मास्क परत तांकां ती कवर फेस स्टाफाक एज वेल एज स्टुडंटांक आमी प्रोवायड केला
आणि आमचे ते प्रॉब्लेम जाता टिचरांचो की 15 क्लासीस जाल्ल्या कारणान टिचऱ्यो कशी शिकयतली तेन्ना आमी आमची लोवर क्लासीची टिचऱ्यो जे आसा तेंचो हेल्प घेतलो तांकां हेल्प घेवन आनी आमी बरें दिसता आयज आमकां बरो प्रतिसाद मेळिल्लो आसा आमची आतां 70 भुरगीं आमच्या स्कुलान आयज आयिल्ले आसा आउट ऑफ 80 मंडे येतली आमकां अपेक्षा आसा मंडे बी ती येतली आनी बरे भशेन चलतले आनी स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटान गायडन्सा खातीर स्कुलांनी टिचरां भुरग्यांनी स्कुलान येवं येता अशें जेन्ना हें काडिल्लें सर्कुलर तेन्ना सुद्दां आमकां बरो प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळो तेन्ना सुद्दां आमचे कडेन 100 भुरगीं येतालीं आमी क्लासी ज्यो आसा एसओपी आसा एक क्लासीन 12 भुरगीं तेच धरून आमी इन हॉलिडेज सुद्दां वेकेशनाक सुद्दां आमी क्लासी घेतल्या आमकां तशें व्हडलें कांय दिसना आमी तयारीन आसा आमचे पेरंट्स तयारीन आसा आनी भुरग्यांक आमी बरें गायडन्स दितले आनी भुरग्यांक हे जे आयज जे ते प्रॉब्लेम्स आसात विल कम शुअर
Now we are having total 150 students, which is not possible for me to adjust one particular day. So we are calling them stream wise. Suppose today commerce is coming, then the next day arts will come, and one stream we are having around arts we have 57 students. Like total I'll do 5 or 6 batches of that. In one batch maximum 12 or 10 students in one class. So even that way we are having a CRM also, we have 43 students. So of that we have done the 4 batches. Arts, commerce we have done 5 batches, we are having 50 students. And adjustment is done for if commerce is coming, so parallelly we are going to call the CRM student also. As per the teachers what we have, I have done the adjustment for that also. As far as coming to school, the moment they come on the gate of the school, we are taking them as per the SOP, social distancing, sanitizing, checking the temperature, and while sitting in the class, again how the lectures will be, the students will not allowed to move out of the class. Recess also given, then as per the SOP how it is mentioned, according to that we will follow all the terms and conditions given by the government. And
भुरग्यांक सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग पयलीं हें केलां, स्कुलान येवच्या पयलीं मास्क कंपल्सरी केलें, सगळें स्कूल फूल सॅनिटायज केलां आनी भुरग्याक प्रत्येक भुरग्याक सांगलां की प्रत्येकान आपापलो सॅनिटायज घेवन येवचो क्लासान आनी एवरी टायम तांच्यांनी क्लासान सुद्दां प्रिकॉशन घेवचें आनी सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग दवरचें.
सगळे आमी SOPचे खूब प्रिकॉशन केल्ले आसा. भुरग्यांक सोशल डिस्टन्स दवरपाचें, सॅनिटायज करपाचें, मास्क घालपाचें आनी सगळे डिस्टन्स दवरून घेवन येवपाचें, सगळे वेवस्था वेल इन एडवान्स केल्ले आसा. सगळे शाळा तशेंची सॅनिटायज केल्ले आसा. वेवस्था इतले बरी केला की आमकां अशें दिसता की आमी बरें हें करून दवरला, तरी सगळे वेवस्था गव्हर्मेंट सरकारान सांगिल्ले प्रमाणे आमी थंय मानले आसा.
आमच्या स्कुलान आमकां सगळे ऑथॉरिटीन आमकां SOP प्रोवायड केला. आमी सगळ्यांनी सॅनिटायझर हाडला, मास्क घातला, फेस शील्ड घातला, सगळ्यांका सांगला कितें स्टेशनरी आयटम एक्सचेंज करप ना, वॉटर बॉटल एक्सचेंज करप ना आनी आपले आयटम्स आपूण यूज करप ना आनी सगळ्यांनी आपूण प्रिकॉशन्स घेतात. आपण निश्चय मानले.
म्हाका सांग, ऑनलायन जेन्ना बरें आसलें काय आतां तुमच्या स्कुलान चडशें
ऑनलायन म्हणजे कितें जातालें पण तें मातशें डिफिकल्ट जातालें. आमकां कळनासलें कितें आमकां जाता कितें ना. आतां आमी स्कुलान आतां आमकां सारकें कळटलें, टिचरी टेस्ट घालतली ती आमचे सगळें करून घेतली तेन्ना आमकां कळटलें आमचें कितलें जालां. ऑनलायन जातालें पण आतां मातशें बरें दिसता स्कूल स्टार्ट.
I'm very happy that school has been reopened and there are all the students are taking the precautions here. And our school authority had also took so many precautions for us. We are carrying our own sanitizers. We are maintaining social distancing. It is also said that we shouldn't share anything, stationary items, or we should bring our own dependent bottles. So all the precaution measures have been taken. And it's really good to
earlier it was online education, now it's live. So what do you say about this?
So earlier it was online, so it was not possible that much to study like that. So
आमकां अशें बरें कित्याक स्कूल आसतली आमची भुरगीं शिकतलीं आनी मुखार सरतलीं. घरा कडेन तांकां बोर जातालें कित्याक तांकां तें शिकोवंक मेळनासलें. तें आपलें एंटरटेनमेंट करूंक शकनासलें. स्कुलान जाता तें घरान जायना, तें स्कूल जावपाक जाय.
ऑनलायनाचेर पेक्षा स्कूल बरें
ना, ऑनलायन इज जाय पूण तें ऑनलायनच्यान बेटर स्कूल.
सो प्रिकॉशन तुमी मास्क सॅनिटायझर सगळें दिलां भुरग्यांक?
सगळें दिलां न्हू. आमी दिवपा आमची प्रिकॉशन आमी घेवपाकूच जाय न्हू.
Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 from Vasco.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Government has turned a blind eye to Concon roads. The construction of bridge along the National Highway 66 from Concon to Madgaon at Padi Barsing has been left incomplete for the past 1.5 years. The road has also sunk during rains due to the shoddy work by the contractor. The area has turned accident prone and needs repairs.
काणकोण ते मडगांव ह्या हायवे रस्त्याचेर पाडी बार्शें हांगासर आशिल्ल्या ह्या पुलाचें काम सरकारान गेल्या 1.5 वर्सां पयलीं सुरू केल्लें, पूण हें आजुनूय काम कंप्लीट जायना. पूण हें काम कंप्लीट करपा खातीर आनी हें काम करपा खातीर म्हणून जो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आशिल्लो त्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरान पुलाच्या दोनूय सायडींच्या बाजूक भरपूर प्रमाणात भितर खणिल्लें आनी ताका लागून पावसाच्या दिसांनी हो रस्तो 2 फावटी कोसळ्ळो आनी रस्तो एक फावटी देंवलोय सुद्दां. तरी पूण हे काम आज पावस गेले उपरांत सुद्दां सुरू जायना. सरकार हांगासर कोणाच्या मरणाची वाट पळयता काय कितें? हे काम बेगिनात बेगीन कंप्लीट करचें आनी हो रस्तो जो डेंजर आसा तो बेगिनात बेगीन लोकांच्या सेवेक हाडचो अशें हांगासरल्या थळाव्या लोकांचे मागणी केला.
पाडी पूल तो आतां जालो 1 वर्स जायत येयला. तो पूल कितें कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरान कितें काम केल्लें तें मदीं सोडून कितें बंद आसा. आतां तो पूल कोसळोन गेला. एक सायडीच्यान आतां तेका बियार बी कांयच ना. तें मदीं कोसळोन गेल्लो, मदीं कोसळोन गेला एक फावट.
मागीर कितें केलें?
कांय केना. कितें सिमेंटा बॅग लायन दवरले थोडी कितें हेजी आनी कितें माती भरून कितें केल्लें. आतां सद्या सामकें डेंजर जावन आसा तें.
आतां हो गांवा रस्तो काय मेन खंयचो रस्तो?
मेन रोड हो, मेन रोड हायवे काणकोण. कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरान काम आज सद्या बंद आसा.
पयली परिस्थिती तशी तितली डेंजर आसलेली?
पयलीं नासली. आतां ते पुला काम करून घेतलें तेन्ना कोसळोन एक सायडीच्यान गेलो आनी आतां तेजी कामूय बी करिना आनी कांयच ना, बंद आसा. एक्सिडंट जावपाची परिस्थिती जी आसा थंय पळयली जाल्यार व्हडली गाडी बी येयली जाल्यार थंय 2 गाडयांक काय सायड जायना थंय. म्हणून आतां तेजेर एक्शन सरकारान घेवची.
पूण आतां हायवे आसून सुद्दां 2 गाड्या सायडी पा मेळना?
ना थंय 2 गाडी वचूंक मेळना. 2 गाडी रावची पडले. लायट मारून रावन गाडी हे सायडी ते रावन लायनी लागता थिंगा. लायन लागून हांगा पावता गाडी सुट्टा म्हळ्यार.
गोवा 365 खातीर काणकोणांतल्यान देविदास गांवकर.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Looks like the capital has seen the advent of tourists after almost 7 months. However, they are domestic tourists with no foreign tourists as yet. But COVID norms were being openly flouted. On Saturday, the authorities began a drive to find the violators after Goa 365 aired the story. Here's more.
Here are the scenes from the capital city. After Goa 365 highlighted the story of people roaming in the state, the authorities quickly acted and began to find the people who were not wearing masks and were seen like that. Look at these visuals. Locals and the business welcome these tourists, but now the authorities are on their toes to find these violators.
सध्या टुरिस्ट हळूहळू करून भरपूर येवपाक स्टार्ट जाल्या. टुरिस्टांक आमी वेलकमूय करता कित्याक आमचे गोवा हे चडशे टुरिजमाचेर चलता. बिजनेसचो आसा, जावं टॅक्सीवाले जावं हॉटेल जावं रेस्टॉरंट जावं सगळो जो बिजनेस आसा टुरिजमाचेरूच आसा. आनी गेली जवळ जवळ 7 महिने जे सगळे कॉलेप्स जाल्लो बिजनेस हो आतां हळूहळू मातसो वयर सरपाक स्टार्ट जाला. पूण एक तुम्ही पळयलें आसतलें आज चडशे सगळ्याच पेपरांनी हायलायट केला ट्युरिस्ट येता पण विदावट मास्क भोंवता सगळी कडेन. आनी तुमी हें पळयलां की दिल्ली जावं गुजरात ती आमी आयकलां की कर्फ्यू लायला म्हणून हे कोविडाच्या हेज्या खातीरूच ते केसी वाडल्या. परत अकस्मात केसी वाडपाक लागल्यो. गोंयान हातून पासून केसी कमी जायत आसा, अजून तशें वाडूं ना. पूण आमकां दिसता की आमी प्रिकॉशन घेवंक जाय. पूण ट्युरिस्टांक आमी हांगासर जे आसा हे फोटो हांगासर आज खुबशे 2-3 पेपराचेर फोटो आयल्या. तेन्ना आमची ड्युटी की लोकांक रिक्वेस्टूय केला आमी तांकां टुरिस्टांक बाबा तुमी मास्क वापरा. आसा तेंचे कडेन बोल्सां आसता पूण ती वापरना. जावं आमी मास्काय हाडल्या तांकां दिवपाक फ्री दिवपाक हाडल्या. आनी आमकां ती तो पावर दिला गव्हर्मेंटान 100 रुपया फायन मारपाचो. तोय आमी फायन मारता म्हणजे तांकां कळपाक बाबा आपणें 100 रुपया दिल्या 100 रुपया तांकांय अशें व्हडलें न्ही आनी आमकांय ते घेवपाक उमेद जायना. पूण तांकां याद उरपाक बाबा आपल्याक एक दिसभर ते भोंवतले. आतां हांगा आयले आनी खंय वतले बाबा आपणे 100 रुपया भरलेले तेन्ना आपणें ते मास्क वापरूंक जाय. तांकां एक अवेरनेस टायपूच आमचो हो प्रोग्राम हो. आनी हे आमचें डेली आतां ह्या चालू आसतलें कित्याक आमकांय त्या ट्युरिस्ट जाय आमकां. पूण ट्युरिस्टा खातीर आमचे जे लोकल लोक आसात तांकांय आमकां त्रास जावंक करना. आज कितके लोकांचे फोन येता की ट्युरिस्ट येता मास्क घालनासतना भोंवता, केसी भायर वाडल्या, ते लोक हांगा येवन आमकां हें करतले परत जे केसी हांगा कमी जाल्या. ह्या खातीरूच आमी आयच्या न्ही ड्रायव्ह घेतल्या आनी ड्रायव्ह डेली कंटिन्यू आसतली.
Shamchari for Goa 365 in Panachi.
Now for the weather. Weather in the state will remain dry till Monday. The minimum temperature will fall by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius on Saturday. However, the skies will remain partly cloudy on Saturday and Sunday, with minimum temperature reaching 24 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature reaching 35 degrees Celsius.
Dry weather prevailed over the state on Friday. In 48 hours, maximum temperature decreased by 34 degrees Celsius. There was no large change in the maximum and minimum temperature in the state. Temperature were normal. The highest maximum temperature of 35.2 degrees Celsius was recorded in Mormugao, and the lowest temperature of 34 to 24 degrees 33 Celsius was recorded in Panachi. Clinton D'Souza for Goa 365.
And now for some sports news. Match 3 of the Hero Indian Super League Season 7 will pit two of the most consistent teams in the league's history against each other as the new-look FC Goa side takes on Bengaluru FC at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium for Thorda in Margao on Sunday. Securing 3 points on Sunday won't be an easy task though. They face the Bengaluru FC side who have not only retained their core from last season but have also strengthened their squad.
Last season's League Shield winners FC Goa, who became the first Indian side to secure a direct entry into the group stage of the AFC Champions League, find themselves in an unfamiliar position. With the departure of the several key players, many of whom followed former coach Sergio Lubera to Mumbai City FC, the Gors, known for their emphasis on continuity, find themselves in the transitional stage. Despite this, they have been hoping to claim that they made an ISL trophy under the new head coach Juan Fernando after acquiring some experienced foreigners alongside promising Indian talent. On the onus will be Edu to help the new arrivals set down as fast as possible.
Okay, tomorrow we play against a very good team because Bengaluru, we know the last 3 years was with the same coach and more or less is the same philosophy, and now they are a big compact team. Now we are in a new chapter, we are a new team, and of course working only six weeks, really 6 weeks working together and to understand the new philosophy, the new methodology. There are some points are difficult, but I think it's be positive because it's a new chapter for us, and our mentality now is be positive, and all the players are ready tomorrow.
To coach, it will be FC Goa's defense was always into a question over the last 3 years. So do we see any changes, or will there be questions raised tomorrow as well? And to Lenny, how do you take tomorrow's match for you, being the first match of FC Goa, that too against the giants of Bengaluru FC?
So I think this season it will be different because we have a new coach and all the new players are there. So the philosophy we are start to our new coach, and we are ready for the match tomorrow.
All right.
The last 3 years with Sergio Lubera was a wonderful job. The team was playing very good games, and then was the regular championship. I think there are a lot of points, but now it's a new chapter. Now it's a new moment. There are new players. There are new young players, and I think it's very important to day by day to be compact with the last players, with the new players, and of course our mentality is the same. Be strong, win, and day by day to improve, because for me the most important is this team to grow up day by day, game by game, and will be better. I don't think in the last season, because the last season is the past. It's different situation, different players, different lot of different points. And now the most important for me is the present. The present is my squad, and maximum I'm thinking about Bengaluru. The past, okay, was wonderful. I think it's good for history in the Goa, but today is a new day.
Clinton D'Souza for Goa 365.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, Goa365TV, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa365TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones. Stay safe, take care, and keep watching Goa365.